Hey everybody, Dr. Dan here. Welcome back. So this is for History 1070, University of Toledo, week 11. And this week we are on chapter 10 of our textbook, which I can tell you right now, this has not been updated since the war in Ukraine. So obviously it's over a year old, and it's kind of changed everything because this chapter really concentrates on post-war Europe, Western Europe and Eastern Europe. So go through the reading notes, and I think if you look at the reading notes and sort of overlay what's happening now in Ukraine on top of the reading notes, it's pretty astounding. Really, the way I broke the chapter down was into these three logical areas. The first one is talking about the modern welfare state, so talking about the countries of Western Europe, the social democratic model that's in place, in France and in Germany and throughout Western Europe. And then there's also a lot about Eastern Europe after the fall of the Iron Curtain. So you'll read about Eastern Europe after, at the beginning of the Cold War. And then also you'll read about Western European unity, which when you look at the EU and really look at NATO and that alliance and what's happened since the war in Ukraine, it's really changed a lot. So I think by looking at this now compared to when some of these notes were written, and certainly when the textbook was written, you can see that unity in Europe has strengthened. And I don't know that anyone would have predicted that back when we were writing these notes 6-7 years ago, I guess, probably in the case of the textbook. So look it over. It's a great chapter. It's very interesting. And there's no assignment this week, so that's good news. And in the meantime, if you have any questions, let me know. That's it for this week. Be safe. Have a great day. Bye-bye.